It's 2025 and you just purchased a brand new GR Corolla and you're thinking to yourself, what should the first modification be to this car? Now, a lot of guys that are buying these cars are using them to take to the track. They're a great track car. They're all-wheel drive. They make 300 horsepower, a lot of torque. They're a really fun car. So today we're gonna pretty much tell you what we recommend you putting on your brand new GR Corolla. This works from 23 all the way up to today, which is 2025. So 23 plus GR Corolla, this is the stuff that works for you. On my right here, we have the HKS Hypermax X suspension. This suspension keeps the divorce setup in the rear, and the front is just your standard coilover setup. On our red car, we have the AST 5100 series suspension, which is a little bit more pricey. This HKS suspension comes in at $2,600, and we do have it on our website, offlineperformance.com. Now, as far as bang for your buck goes, this is gonna be a great upgrade to your GR Corolla. A lot of people do run springs with this car to maintain like the factory strut setup. But in my opinion, the adjustability with the ride height and everything like that is so much more worth it when you're going with an actual coilover setup. And keeping the divorce setup in the rear keeps the same GR Corolla like suspension geometry and feel the same. So this is a great upgrade that you are able to do for $2,600 plus shipping. It's a great option. It is got that Japanese quality. These are awesome coilovers. Now to my left, this is where the twisties and turnies come in. If you're doing road course or autocross, or you're just ripping it through the mountains with your friends, we have the 28 millimeter and the 26 millimeter front and rear sway bar from Cusco. These are both coming in at around $360 to $370 a piece. They are not 360 or 370 combined. It is per item. So the front one and the rear one, they're sold separately. We also have the Cusco rear end link adjustable end link set. These come in at about $230, and you're gonna need them when putting on sway bars. And then we also carry the Torque Solutions front adjustable end link. These come in at $270 on our website. Now, all of these products in front of me are great mods and great upgrades to your GR Corolla. Suspension work does not void warranty unless something goes wrong with the suspension of the car. In that case, then it would. But as far as like drivetrain stuff, the suspension components should not void warranty. They're all 50 state legal, no EPA concerns or anything like that. And all of this stuff is available on our website, offlineperformance.com right now. And if you're curious as to whether or not we're going to be installing these, the answer is yes. We'll be putting them on our blue GR Corolla for the 2025 season. We're going to be installing these, tracking them, comparing them to the AST 5100 series suspension, seeing if if they feel different, if they ride different, things like that. The suspension travel. We're also going to be installing all the sway bars and end links, because on our red car we do not have any of that. And our blue car obviously doesn't have any of that either, but we will be installing the sort of body roll modifications on the blue car and leaving the red one stock. That way when we go to the track, we can compare and contrast the two as well. But yeah, other than that, we will be installing them. We'll be showing you guys how to install them. Those videos will come out at a later date, but as for right now, we just wanted to show you guys that this is a great way to start modifying your GR Corolla in 2025. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.